The ancient forests of Papua Indonesia are the last large intact forest landscapes in Asia. They are threatened by large logging companies which operate with scant regard to local communities and Indonesia's forestry laws. Unless tougher measures are put in place, most of these forests could be gone in 20 years. People on the Raja Ampat Islands use these forests in numerous ways. Fishermen cut trees to build boats, and villagers target merbau, the most sought-after tree species in the region, to raise money for the community. These small-scale operations occur only when trees are needed. Locals have seen what large-scale operations can do to the environment and are worried that if the area is targeted by logging companies, their way of life will be destroyed. They want to be able to continue to manage the forest themselves without outside interference.
Ya, di satu sisi untuk saat sekarang ini sudah jelas bahwa akan ditolak. Akan ditolak karena yang pertama seperti tadi saya katakan itu merugikan masyarakat itu karena mengingat generasi ke depan. Sebab pertumbuhan kayu merbau ini dia memakan waktu yang lama, 3-40 tahun baru dia besar. Sedangkan turunan ke depan ini usia 15-20 ke depan kira-kira mau dapat kayu di mana untuk mau bikin rumah. Nah, seperti sekarang yang kita alami ini. Nah, karena apa? Penyebab ulah itu dari perusahaan itu.
These forests are some of the most biodiverse on Earth. However, increased global demand for cheap timber products threaten their very existence. The rich red wood of merbau trees like this one are highly sought after in the US, China, Japan and the EU. In Saw Bay, Batanta, people from the village of Amdui are cutting trees to raise money to build a church. They barter cut timber with timber merchants in Sorong for building supplies and cash when the need arises. The community target the largest merbau trees in an area, cutting only what they need. A tree like this one will yield approximately 2 to 3 cubic meters of sawn merbau planks. These loggers can cut an average of 2 trees a day. The trees are then hand-milled using chainsaws. Using this method, they are able to produce 5 to 6 cubic meters of timber a day.
Kalau untuk kekayaan alam khusus untuk kayu, yang paling bagus itu masyarakat mengolahnya sendiri. Kalau perusahaan mengolah berarti alam sekitar ini perusahaan merusakkan, apalagi menurunkan alat-alat berat seperti doser. Berarti jenis kayu yang lainnya nanti pada tahun-tahun berikut, ya jenis kayu lain yang dibutuhkan oleh masyarakat sudah dirusakkan, sudah musnah hasil.
The community gets $100 per cubic meter of sawn timber. The same amount sells for $2,000 in the US. Large-scale timber operations leave nothing behind except degraded land and community resentment once forests are gone. Greenpeace wants to see an end to all illegal and destructive logging in Indonesia and offer forest communities ecologically responsible alternatives to large-scale logging. This will allow communities to manage their own forests and ensure income for future generations. Community management, setting aside protected areas, and stronger law enforcement is needed to save these ancient forests.